Okay, before the class begin, let's pray together. Selesai.
Okay, let me mention your name. Muhammad Haikal Rayendra,
Okay?
Vicky Nur Zahra, Andi Yudhiswa Wardani, Harisna Putri Wijaya.
Present, Miss.
Oke. Hari ini kita akan membahas materi tentang simple past tense. Anyone? Do you know how simple past tense?
Not yet, Miss.
Okay. Before that, let me read the objective first. The first one is the students are able to define what is simple past tense. The second one is the students are able to identify the dynamic structure and of simple past tense. And the last is the students are able to identify the role of simple past tense in daily discussion. Okay, next. When to use simple past tense? Sebelumnya saya akan menjelaskan apa itu simple past tense. Simple past tense adalah kata yang kita gunakan ketika merujuk ke suatu kegiatan yang telah terjadi atau sesuatu yang terjadi di masa lampau. Lebih jelasnya yaitu simple past tense is talking about complete actions. We use simple past tense to talk about action or events that happen at a specific time in the past and are already finished. For example, anyone can read the text? Okay, Haikal, please.
I visited the zoo today. We went to the cinema last weekend. She finished her homework an hour ago.
Okay, thank you, Haikal. For the first example is I visited the zoo yesterday. Kenapa kalimat ini dikatakan sebagai simple past tense? Ada yang bisa menjelaskan?
Me.
Yes, Yunus, please.
Verb is visited, which is past. This is verb 2, and there's yesterday also. Yesterday.
Oke, ya. Thank you, Yunies. Jawabannya sudah benar. I visited. Karena visited adalah kata kerja bentuk ketiga atau simple past, dan zoo yesterday is kata keterangan yang merujuk ke kejadian masa lampau. Next. Untuk lebih jelasnya kita akan membahas tentang general structure dari simple past tense itu. Simple past tense memiliki 3 general structure, yaitu positive forms, negative forms, dan question forms. Yang pertama itu positive forms. Positive forms yaitu start with the subject at the past form of the verb, and the last is pay attention to regular and irregular verbs. Maksudnya itu positive forms itu simple past yang merujuk ke plus yang regular irregular. Contohnya yaitu I danced at the party regular, dan yang contoh kedua itu we went to the zoo last weekend. Mari kita perhatikan kata yang di garis bawah I danced, dan yang garis bawah itu we went. Perbedaannya itu regular dan irregular verb. Selanjutnya negative forms. Use did not. Ya, yang membedakan negative form dan positive form itu negative form menggunakan did not atau didn't. Didn't before the base form of the verb to form negative sentence. For example, he